up, guys? Welcome back. Today we are doing part 2 of the clutch replacement in the Stinger. We got our KG Kevlar fibers, we got Barnett steels, and we have KG 20% stiffer springs. Gonna be throwing that in the bike today. Stick around. Okay, so first we measured the two discs because one is bigger and then one is actually a different color. The bigger one goes on first. And then the steels have a flat edge and a round edge. You want to put the flat edge out when you alternate them. And then all of the center fibers are going to be the same size, so it doesn't really matter on those ones. Okay, so once you got everything all bolted back together, all you got to do is just do a little clutch adjustments at the cable on the bottom by the clutch and at the lever. Once you get those all taken care of, it's ready to rock and roll. We will also have available some decals and some cards available on the Facebook page if anyone is interested in having any of that. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode. Stay cool.